Are you torn between building a custom home or buying an existing property? This decision can seem overwhelming, often leaving you wondering if you're settling for less than you desire. In the ocean of outdated layouts, necessary renovations, or features that don't align with your lifestyle, a custom home could be your lifeline. Hi, my name is Francisca Alonso with AV Architects and Builders, and we have been designing and building custom homes in Northern Virginia since 2001. Our expertise lies in simplifying the custom home building process, ensuring that it's not only manageable, but also enjoyable. We have helped countless homeowners realize their dream homes without the compromises that come with buying an existing property. Let's talk about what a custom home could mean for you. One of the primary benefits of building a custom home is the ability to design a floor plan that suits your specific lifestyle. Whether you desire main-level living or unique spaces that existing homes lack, a custom home can meet these needs perfectly. Existing homes on the market tend to reflect outdated styles, layouts, and amenities. Building a custom home ensures you have a modern floor plan that aligns with contemporary living standards. When purchasing an existing home, you're more likely to encounter existing rooms that don't align with your needs and therefore go unused. A custom home eliminates this issue by ensuring every space is intentionally designed and tailored to your preferences so you will actually use it. Buying an existing property often involves making compromises, whether in terms of layout, design, or features. Building a custom home allows you to avoid these compromises, creating a home that fits your vision exactly. A custom home can be designed with the future in mind, such as sustainable design, energy-efficient systems, smart home technologies, and adaptable living spaces that will remain functional and stylish for years to come. Speculative or spec homes on the market may offer some modern features, but they are not tailored to your specific needs. Custom homes provide the opportunity to include all the features that matter most to you and your family. Custom homes give you the opportunity to design outdoor spaces that perfectly complement your lifestyle. Whether that's a large garden, a pool, or a cozy patio, you decide how your outdoor areas look and function, creating spaces that enhance your quality of life. Building a custom home allows you to personalize every aspect of your home's aesthetic, from the paint colors to the architectural details. This ensures that your home truly reflects your taste and style. As your lifestyle changes over the years, a custom home can adapt to meet new needs more easily than an existing property. Whether it's adding an extra room, modifying spaces, or incorporating new technologies, a custom home is designed with flexibility in mind. Custom homes can be designed with low-maintenance materials and systems, making upkeep simpler and more efficient. This thoughtful planning ensures your home remains beautiful and functional without the hassle of frequent repairs and touch-ups. When you build a custom home, you have greater control over the quality of construction, ensuring that every aspect of the build meets your standards. This control allows you to avoid the hidden issues that often come with buying an existing home. Deciding between building a custom home and purchasing an existing property is a major decision that impacts your future's lifestyle. At AV Architects and Builders, we're here to make the custom home building process as transparent and fulfilling as possible. By choosing to build a custom home, you gain the freedom to create a living space that's truly a reflection of you, free from the compromises of existing properties. If you're ready to explore the possibilities of custom home design, reach out to us today. Thank you for watching. Check out our Learning Center linked in the description below for more home building tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.